This hidden gem is where your travel dreams come true. Welcome to Cape Town. Imagine vibrant street art celebrating diversity, the smell of freshly brewed coffee in local markets, and breathtaking ocean views. Your mornings start atop Table Mountain, sipping coffee as the ethereal landscape unfolds. Wander through colorful Beau Cap, a reflection of Cape Town's deep cultural roots. It's not just about the views. This LGBTQ+ friendly haven ensures safety and celebration. Relish fine dining with perfectly grilled seafood as the sun melts into the horizon. For adventure seekers, there's pristine surf at Muizenberg and unforgettable safaris just a drive away. Cape Town isn't just a destination, it's an experience where everyone belongs. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and feel celebrated. Drop your dream destination below and subscribe to explore more hidden gems. Adventure awaits.